Shopify Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll provide an honest review of the Shopify Website Builder, so you can decide if it's the right platform for your needs. Links to the product are in the description. Shopify is one of the leading website builders specifically designed for e-commerce. It's a powerful, all-in-one platform that allows you to create, manage, and grow your online store with ease. Shopify is ideal for anyone looking to sell products online, whether you're a small business, a large retailer, or an entrepreneur starting a new venture. The platform offers a range of customizable themes that are optimized for online sales, along with an intuitive drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to design your store without any coding skills. One of Shopify's standout features is its robust e-commerce tools. It handles everything from product listings and inventory management to payment processing and shipping. Shopify also supports multiple sales channels, allowing you to sell directly on your website, social media, and even marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. With its extensive app store, you can enhance your store's functionality with apps for marketing, SEO, customer service, and more. Shopify's SEO features are strong, ensuring that your store can rank well in search engine results. Additionally, it offers powerful analytics and reporting tools, so you can track your sales performance and make data-driven decisions. However, it's worth noting that Shopify has transaction fees unless you use Shopify Payments, which could be a consideration for some users. So is Shopify the right choice for you? If your primary goal is to build and scale an online store, Shopify is one of the best options available. It's designed specifically for e-commerce, offering all the tools and features you need to succeed in online retail. However, if you're looking for a more general website builder without a strong focus on e-commerce, Shopify might be more than you need. Ultimately, Shopify is a top choice for serious online sellers, but it's important to assess whether its specialized focus aligns with your business goals. Check out the link in the description to explore Shopify further and see if it's the right fit for your online store.